Hello, andito ako ngayon sa Ashikaga Flower Park and ang wisteria nila dito nag-bloom na. They have different kinds, different variety of wisteria. Dito sa Japan, they call it Fuji plants. Ito white ang color nito and sa kabila is violet. And then there's a lot of different kinds of flowers also in this area. Also over there, also in the top of the mountain, as you can see, ang daming bulaklak. See, I'm very amazed how the Japanese maintain this area. Amazing, really beautiful. Yeah, yan wisteria din yan. And hello, where are you from? Ni hao ma. This one is hindi pa siya nagbo-bloom. Maybe next week okay na yan. Oh, beautiful, right? Ayun, buong paligid na to ay puno ng wisteria plants at iba't ibang klaseng bulaklak. I don't know what kind of flower is that, pero ang ganda, really beautiful. Kahit sa gitna ng ng tubig na to, marami ding mga bulaklak. At saka doon, tignan ninyo, wisteria din po yan. There are almost 500 wisteria plants sa buong paligid na ito. At napakaganda talaga, really beautiful. Galing ako sa Utsunomiya Station. From Utsunomiya Station, I took a local train going to Oyama Station. Tapos nag-transfer ako ng another line going here. So mga 1 hour and 40 minutes travel time going to this area. So later on I'll be going back to Utsunomiya Station because I'll be staying there for 1 week and then I'll be leaving on Friday going to Tokyo again. So ang ganda kahit na malayo. At least I'm very excited to see this area. Ngayon nakita ko na. So happy na. Ang bala ko sana, pupunta ako ng Shiba Sakura area, but according sa information na nasagap ko doon sa station na mahirap daw puntahan yung Shiba Sakura kasi there is no means of transportation going there and you need to take a taxi which is very expensive. So taxi it costs around 25,000 yen back and forth from the station of Utsunomiya. So I said I rather go to Ashikaga Flower Park. So ito na.